Okay, here we are waiting at the train station for our party to come take us to Myrtle Beach. Alright? This is the last time we travel down here and we'll rely on these folks to come pick us up. It's either we don't come down here or we make alternative plans so that we don't have to stay in here no daggone train depot waiting for these fools to come pick us up. This is the absolute last time.
Understood.
I'm putting notice, giving everybody notice. Right, Junior? Okay. Yeah, a long train ride for us to stand here and wait 1 minute is 1 minute too long.
Yes,
Let her go, let her go, let her go, let her walk, let her walk, let her go.
give me that.
Tyler, don't get up there, don't go up there. Don't go up there. Say cheese out of here. Where you going? Crazy girl. See with your eyes, not with your hands.